Tell me what you got here, huh?
Lumpia.
Okay, explain everything.
Lumpia, dynamite, Shanghai. Lumpia.
Dynamite.
Dynamite.
Now, what do you call it dynamite for?
Because it has shade inside.
It's got a hot chili inside that
Yes.
looks like a little wick for a piece of dynamite. Why don't you pull that top off? Let me take a peek. Kind of neat. I like these. These are very good. Okay, huh? And this one here?
Shanghai.
That's Shanghai. What's Shanghai mean?
It have green pork inside.
Green pork. Okay, we mean green pork. All? It's pork with green peppers in it, ground up, right? Okay, and this one here is a
Lumpiang gulay. Vegetable inside.
vegetable inside. What do you call it? Gulay?
Gulay. Tagalog gulay. Lumpiang gulay.
And here's all your different chicken.
Yeah.
These are just, this is chicken. This is all wings in here. Here's, what, legs and thighs?
Yes.
Legs and thighs, and there's pork.
What are you doing? You picture?
Picture.
Picture.
Bingo,
Picture,
bingo.
picture. It's Venus. Venus walking down the street, stopped in to make a pose. And he's here. See, I did this at night, but nobody could see it. This right here is what?
Kikiam.
Thikium.
Yes.
Okay, and that's a shrimp flavor, right?
Yes.
And the other one you call fish bowl. A fish bowl, and that's a fish flavor. What's all your sauces in there? What's that?
Only ketchup.
Huh?
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
Yes.
And then you throw them in here and brew them up as needed. Well, that's a full bowl right there. You got to be careful with this stuff, huh?
Mga Edo. Barbecue man.
There's the barbecue man. They moved his barbecue thing over here.
Black 9 doon, Black 9. Ano hinahanap niyo? Black 9?
This is early.
Doon yung Black 9.
They'll start selling something in about another hour?
9 doon pa sa pinaka.
About another hour, people start getting off work. Then they actually buy stuff clear up until 9, 10 o'clock, because if they get off work, they come in and they order the chicken and stuff. So, okay, Jan.
Hello world.
Hello, world.